Imagine stepping into a world where your glasses do more than just enhance your style. Introducing Ray-Ban Meta Glasses, a revolutionary blend of fashion and technology. These smart glasses allow you to capture moments, listen to music, and connect seamlessly with your devices. They combine iconic Ray-Ban design with advanced functionality. Let's break down what these glasses can do. First, they feature high-definition cameras. You can take hands-free photos and videos with a simple tap. Secondly, the audio technology ensures crystal-clear sound. You can enjoy your favorite tunes without needing headphones. Next, the glasses pair effortlessly with your smartphone. This allows you to receive notifications without checking your phone. The premium augmented reality experience opens a new dimension to everyday tasks. Now, let's compare Ray-Ban Meta glasses to other VR glasses. Traditional VR glasses can be bulky and often lack stylish design. They focus primarily on virtual reality experiences. In contrast, Ray-Ban Meta glasses are lightweight, chic, and multifunctional. They provide a balanced blend of real-world and virtual capabilities. Think about it. With Ray-Ban Meta glasses, you're not just wearing eyewear. You're equipped for a lifestyle upgrade. The price tag for these glasses is around $299, making them a worthy investment for tech-savvy individuals. To summarize, Ray-Ban Meta glasses stand out for their style, compact design, and multifunctional features. They allow you to capture memories, enjoy music, and stay connected, all in one stylish package. Ready to elevate your eyewear game? Visit Ray-Ban's official website or your local retailer to learn more and purchase your pair today. Imagine capturing the perfect sunset while enjoying your favorite playlist, all without compromising on style. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses seamlessly integrate with your daily life, offering not just functionality, but also a fashion statement. As you stroll through the park, a gentle tap on the frame allows you to immortalize that moment forever. With a stylish design that turns heads and features that enhance your adventures, you'll find yourself reaching for these glasses time and time again. Whether you're at a concert or simply hanging out with friends, every experience becomes richer and more memorable. Plus, the user-friendly interface means that both tech enthusiasts and casual users will feel right at home. And when you receive a notification, simply turn your head and let the gentle vibration remind you without pulling you away from the moment. Finding a balance between your digital life and the real world has never been easier. The augmented reality features offer a unique perspective, overlaying helpful information onto your surroundings. Whether you're navigating a new city or sharing candid moments with friends, every interaction feels intuitive and exciting. Designed for those who value performance as much as style, these glasses embody a new era of wearable technology. You can easily transition from casual hangouts to business meetings with just a flick of your wrist. With the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, the future of eyewear is here, waiting for you to embrace it boldly and stylishly. As you step into a cafe, your glasses can subtly display notifications about your favorite nearby spots. With a simple gesture, you're able to access menus and check in with friends, all while being effortlessly chic. Imagine taking a photo of your coffee, instantly sharing it to social media without even reaching for your phone. This is more than eyewear, it's a gateway to enhanced experiences. Your day-to-day interactions will flourish as you engage with friends or navigate through your plans. All driven by the stunning Ray-Ban Meta functionality that complements your life beautifully. With every glance, the world transforms into a canvas of possibilities. As you step back into the everyday world, the Ray-Ban Meta glasses become more than just an accessory. They redefine how you interact with your surroundings. Elevate your life experiences and say goodbye to the ordinary. Embrace the extraordinary with this perfect blend of style and innovation.